Are you having problems with your Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually myself, I had a lot of problems with this before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So firstly, we're going to close the Authenticator app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So now on the settings app, you're just going to scroll down in here and click on general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is perfect. So in here, just scroll down and click on storage. And now on the storage page, you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this to completely load. It can take sometimes, if you're really unlucky, up to a couple of minutes. But now when it's done, just swipe up, click on search right here. Search for Authenticator, as you can see, click on it. Now click on Offload App, and once again, click on Offload App. Just wait a couple of seconds here again. We're just going to wait until it says reinstall app, and just click on it, as you can see. And now basically you need to wait until your Microsoft Authenticator app completely updates to its latest version. Because by doing this, you're going to force the app to update, and then when it's done, go back and try once again. So this actually fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.